바다는 깊다. 바다는 깊다. What does this sentence mean? If you notice, the word in red letter is 바다는. Because today, on One Korean Word a Day, we're going to study about BADA. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 284. BADA. BADA. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is ba, second syllable is da. Pronounce it with me. BADA. BADA. The word BADA is simply the Korean term for ocean or sea. Again, BADA is the Korean term for ocean or sea. How do we write BADA in Hangul? This is composed of two syllables. The first syllable is ba. This is written by drawing first a B up character followed by an A character. The second syllable da is written by drawing first a dikat character followed by an A character. And then we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these two syllables to form the Hangul of the word BADA. Once again, the word BADA means ocean or sea. Now let's try to look into this example English sentence. It says, the sea is deep. Again, the sea is deep. The Korean translation of this is 바다는 깊다. Again, 바다는 깊다. This sentence could be divided into two. The first part is 바다는. Bada is our word for today, which means sea or ocean. And for this case, this is used as sea. And then, nun is added to bada to say that bada is the subject of the sentence. The second part of the sentence is 깊다, which means to be deep. Again, to be deep. So, when we combine 바다는 and 깊다, it would result to a sentence that means the sea is deep. Again, the sea is deep. So, looking back to this, which is flashed at the beginning of our video, we already know by now that the meaning of the sentence 바다는 깊다 is simply the sea is deep. And with that, you've just learned BADA. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 274 to 283. Don't forget our word for today, word number 284, BADA, which means ocean or sea. The first word for our review is word number 283, which is 생선, which means fish. To be specific, it pertains to the fish dish. Word number 282 is 과일, which means fruit. Word number 281 is 돕다, which means to help. Word number 280 is 주다, which means to give. Word number 279 is 화요일, which means Tuesday. Word number 278 is namu, which means tree or wood. Word number 277 is aju, which means very. Word number 276 is 조금, which means a little. Word number 275 is suop, which means class or lesson. And the last word for our review, word number 274, cake, which means cake. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.